This is our 20-station peeling testing machine with NPC display and computer system. Here is the power on emergency stop switch. Turn it on, then press the power button. This is the reset button. After testing, press it to reset. This button is for moving left, and this one is for moving right. Move left, move right. This is the test button. When we receive new PV cells, we need to adjust according to the grid positions of the samples. Place the PV cell in this position. After adjusting, each grid position has a test station. Press both sides of the main grid with pressing strips. When adjusting, tighten the screws at these two places. This way, you can move back and forth to adjust the spacing between grid positions. After adjustment, ensure that the two positions are at right angles and parallel to the main grid position of the sample, then tighten the screws. Each station is adjusted in this way. The other stations have already been adjusted. Extra ones can be placed aside without concern. When testing the sample for the first time, the position of the sensor also needs to be adjusted. For the fixture, the position of each sensor's fixture should be in the middle of the two pressing strips. Please see that all sensors are in the middle of the adjacent two pressing strips. Look at the back of the sensor. There is a screw at the back of each sensor. Loosen the screw like this, and the sensor can move back and forth. This makes it easy to adjust according to the size and grid position of the sample. When the sensor is adjusted to the corresponding position, tighten the screw to fix it. Whether it is a 16 grid, 20 grid, or 24 grid, adjust it in this way. After adjusting, you can start the test. Hold down the left button to return the sensor to the starting position, and open all pressing strips. Replace with a new PV cell. Battery cells come in different sizes, and the length of their solder ribbons varies. Some are 20 millimeters, some are 100 millimeters. The one in my hand is only 15 millimeters. 15 millimeters can be tested. Place it along this edge, then put all the pressing strips in place. After pressing, press the right button. Because the solder ribbon of this sample is short, stop at this position. Like this, lift the handle and manually press the solder ribbon into the body of the fixture. Since this solder ribbon is short, it is not easy to clamp. Operate like this to clamp all the solder ribbons one by one. This is the last one. After clamping, you can start the test normally. Close the dust cover, then the software will follow the preset mode. First, select the direction. The position of our sample is facing forward, so choose the front hair. Then set the speed and stroke, then click to start the test. Here are the test results, a curve graph. Each channel will have an independent curve graph. The marked position is its maximum value. The report will be automatically saved in the backup path. The backup path needs to be set in advance. After the test is completed, the software will automatically create two new folders. The unqualified ones will appear in the NG folder. All data of the day will be saved in this folder, and you can open it to see the corresponding data.